welcome back to Wrenchie. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. Hey, I've got another little product I'm going to try here today. It's a Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer. Never used it. Going to give it a whirl. The problem I have is some faded plastic and mostly, wax buildup from when I wax the bike, and I don't tape it off, and I've gotten overzealous with the wax, and now it's into the plastic and doesn't look so great. So I'm hoping that maybe this will help take some of that out and also restore some of the shine and luster to our plastic parts here. So without further ado, let's get wrenching. Okay, this isn't rocket science stuff. Just make sure it's clean when you start. You put some of the product on a clean microfiber or a sponge or some other type of applicator. You work it into the plastic and you let it soak in, and then you buff off any extra or excess with another clean microfiber towel. So put a little blob on our towel and start working that in. Let's see what it does for the, if it takes off any of this wax, that would be great. It does say apply liberally, so that's right in line with Wrenchie style. Anything worth torquing is worth over torquing, and liberal application is fine by me. So there it is into the plastic. Get a little more over here. So at first it looks great, but I've seen this before with anytime I get it wet, it looks great. So we'll let that kind of soak in a little bit, and then we'll buff it off with another cloth and see what our results look like. So I think I'll get some of this plastic right in here too. That's a mess. Jeez. Yeah, you know what? If you're going to wax the bike, and you probably should, tape it off. Tape off the parts where you don't want the wax to get into, like the seat. That's a pain, and the plastic bits. It'll save you all this trouble later. All right, that's pretty good, I guess. So let's let that soak in. Okay, that's been a few minutes, so let's it's a new microfiber cloth, new clean cloth, so just massage out the excess. Well, what do you think? That's certainly better. That's certainly better than when we started, right? I don't see any more wax buildup, except right here where I forgot to take it off some time ago. Jeez, pretty lame. But look at that, huh? I'd say that's. I see that's working. I see that's working really well. Well worth it. There you go. Mother's Back to Black Trim and Plastic Restorer. Just that simple. First time using it. It does say it's all-in-one, cleans and protects exterior trim, all colors. So it's not just black, but I happen to have black, so that worked out pretty well as far as the name. All right, that was a real quick one. I'm really pleased with it. Came out nice. It looks a whole lot better than it used to. Super simple, 5 minutes job, good to go. All right, so thanks for tuning in again. Leave some comments, give us a like, subscribe, you know the drill. So we'll be back soon, and in the meantime, ride safe, keep wrenching. Later.